And some places around Kern County are offering some special deals today and for the month of November for our local veterans as a thank you for serving our country. Get Bus is offering free rides to veterans for the entire month of November. All you need is your military ID to show to the driver. BJ's Restaurant is giving out free Pizookies throughout the entire month of November. That offer's valid for dine-in only. Famous Dave's, this is today. You can get, also it was yesterday, you can get a free 2-meat combo served with one side and a cornbread muffin. Again, you just need your military ID. And then we have Golden Corral today from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. You get a free thank you dinner, and that's for anyone who has served in our military. There's plenty of more deals going on today. To see them, just go to our website, turn23.com.